first years. In the next 4 years, you're going to experience and learn so many new things. And as a final year student, here are some things that I want to share with you.
Don't be afraid to talk to new people. Everyone's a lot friendlier than you think they are. Joining clubs and attending events on campus is a great way to meet new people. Try new things and go outside of your comfort zone, whether it's performing in public, learning a new instrument, learning how to paint, or even playing games that you've never played before, such as life-size Jenga. Explore the city outside of just the campus. There's so much to do other than just go to class, such as festivals, events, and pretty buildings and nature to see. And everyone was staring at me. I don't know what's right. Even though school is important, don't forget to enjoy your time and make memories with your friends. That I'm supposed to wake up on. But if you have to go, and if call your parents every once in a while. They always have the best advice.